And Derek with Eliminex, we're in the attic space. They have a combination of mice. There was a wildlife here at one time. And you see acorn shells. So I was going to say, but a lot of mice droppings. So you see the acorn shells. A lot of mice, but these are bat droppings. So what I'm hearing here for noise, I hear all these tapping sounds up on the rake on the exterior. And it's a metal siding, so you hear all this activity. So I already suspected bats right away. But so that's a combination of mice, definitely bats up here. So I'm just going to make a recommendation on what they can do about it. A lot of mice activity up here as well, but we don't know if that's active. I see all the burrows. I'm trying to be careful not to stir up anything here, so I'm not breathing any fiberglass. But I'm fine. There used to be squirrels up here, but not at this time.